Fellas, what's going on? Good morning. Good morning. Damn, Tesla's at 205. Tesla just lost pre-market lows. Hmm. Good morning. Good morning. What's everyone out there trading today? What are you guys watching out there? My bias for the day is a little bit short. We do have a little bit of extended selling, right? We've had some selling pressure, so definitely want to be open to the idea that we could be looking at a dead cat bounce sometime, right? However, my watch list is 100% short for today. If we are going to bounce, I'm going to need the bulls to show me a little something, right? So they're going to have to either take out some type of supply to the upside on the next hour candle before I really get, interested in taking any kind of long scalp. Also, guys, it's you don't have to chase things right off the bell. So I know a lot of times, you come in with a bias, you see certain stocks or instruments or futures going in the direction that you wanted them to go, and immediately you chase that first move, and then you end up getting stopped out. So it's always okay to be a little bit patient. As of late, I have been waiting to the top of the hour just to kind of see, what is the opening range, right? I want to see the first 30 minutes of the market kind of digest a little bit. And then it's been from there where I've been, majority taking my, bulk of the work trade. So just want to stay patient. Nvidia might have a little bit of a sneaky channel here below 409.30s. That's going to have room down into this lower Bollinger Band, as well as the pre-market lows at around 407.60s. So depends on how aggressive you want to be and how well you can manage your risk management. You might have a little area of opportunity here below 409.20s. Again, if it is a little bit of a dead cat bounce, that's fine. We definitely have a couple of little sneaky areas to the top side here. I'd like to see Nvidia get over 414. 414.30s might have room to push back up into 419, but again, definitely do I am thinking a little bit more to the short side today. So if we look at the futures on the hourly chart, futures are pushing down into this 14,520 area. That was the 2 a.m. Pacific Standard Time lows. So if we kind of look at this area to kind of act as a little bit of support. Again, I had a couple of supply and demand zones drawn out from last week. Obviously to the upside, our supply, and this green box that you can kind of see here was our demand. So we have lost that demand. We've tested it, and now we've re-lost again. So this is an active short position now based on the levels that I had from last week. Anytime you lose an area of demand, you always want to see it either go sideways and then confirm the new low, or back test that zone and then fall out of it again. And once we fall out of it again is when you want to go short. So, realistically, maybe around 15 or 14,570s was an area of entry. Again, it's down about 30, 40, 50 points since then. So definitely was a good setup. I just barely logged on, so I didn't really have a chance to jump on that, but definitely got my eyes on the lows here of 14,520. And that 14,520 is back down here. So you can see once we lost this initial zone, we kind of came back into the range, traded sideways, never really made a new high, coming back out of it, and now we've pushed down again. Also, for anyone who, you guys have been following my YouTube, and you guys are a little bit familiar with the 20 SMA play, the 20 SMA scalping strategy over under that 20 SMA. We are in an active short. It did set up a little bit in the pre-market here at 6:15 PST, confirmed at 6:20, and then really confirmed losing that 50-day moving average here right at the open at 6:30. Even if you would have waited till the market open to get in, maybe 14,580, and we're currently trading at 14,516. So this has been a hell of a trade. If anyone did take that, definitely think about taking your profits into this overnight session lows, right? So if the overnight session lows was 14,520, and we lost this area of support. Well, if we believe in the theory that stocks are going to trade from supply to supply, demand to demand, this is where you would have taken profits on that short, right? So again, where would your next setup be? Your next setup would be a confirmation later on another candle through 14,514. Again, that would have a little bit more room down, but this is definitely a profit-taking zone here if you are short. What's going on, Biggs?
What up, man?
What do you got your eyes on today?
Well, right now I'm just watching the keys. Let's see if they fucking hold this 351. That was like from a couple of days last week. That was that big spot.
Mm-hmm.
And it looked like it hit that down in the futures too.
Yeah, same spot. Yeah, this spot goes all the way back a couple of weeks here.
Yep.
So every time we kind of came into this zone, you get that nice little bounce.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, dude. Last month, no?
Mm-hmm. So, well, that's kind of where we. Yeah, I mean, this chick that I her name's Corny. She's this Asian chick, dude, that I've followed from day one, and she's all right. I don't really follow much of what she plays, but she just gives her 2 cents on like the market. She trades the Qs a lot, and she was kind of last week when this spot hit this 351. She was saying that was going to be the bottom, for where we were at, and then going into after that, she said that we could come back down, test this area, form a W shape, and she feels like it's going to roll from there. So that's why I was just kind of paying attention to this level, just because she was talking about it. So I'm just going to see what happens here. I took some Q calls off of that.
There you go. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely held up over the last month, so you have to kind of respect that level until we close below that on a daily candle. But yeah, you could get a little bit of that intraday bounce. I was really hoping that the futures were going to open up green and then get rejected and then roll through. But a lot of the stuff I had in my watch list, those levels got taken out already in the pre-market. So, so now I got to wait.
AMD came down and touched that. Come down, hit that 200, man, on the fucking daily.
Yeah. That was one I was watching all last week, and they just didn't give me an opportunity to get into it.
Yeah. I had that mapped out today, too. But Tesla all the way down to 203, man. Wow. It's going to start getting enticing for me to fucking start adding some shit on that thing. Just to build up a long piece on that, man, around 200 or so. I don't know. What do you see Tesla right now long term as far as like
we've lost the August
potential?
We've lost the August lows, so we're far below that. Those were 216. The daily chart's got nothing there, but if you go to the weekly, right? Let's go to the weekly. We've got room on Tesla maybe to 197. I could see Tesla getting in there to 197 before we get any type of significant every bounce besides that, I would still fade into 197.
Okay.
So yeah, so maybe 197. You can take a stab at trying to swing a little bit long for a little bit of a dead cat bounce, and then you got room, from 197, 205, and 220s. That's what I would kind of shoot for, and then obviously anything below 197 at a later point in time would definitely be another macro short, and that could go all the way back down to February, March, April, May lows, and you'd be looking at like 140, 150. But
fucking go right here, D. Nice green candle on the Qs, baby. I added those a week out so they expire on Halloween.
There you go.
And I took 4 of them fuckers, man, like $2,100 worth. So if I can get a pop here, I wouldn't mind unloading one.
Yeah, definitely. If you make some money on them, you want to get out of them. The Nasdaq on a weekly chart, we've broken through now, put in a wick down here at this 14,520 area. Yeah. This whole floor has been holding also since August. So if we start to break down, Qs are coming down. The Nasdaq's coming down another 500 points, easy. So if they don't hold this, which to be honest, it doesn't really look like they're going to hold it. I mean, they would need some significant buying to come in. So that's why I'm saying any type of pop that we get, if you are taking those scalps on those dead cat bounces, take those profits, wait for them to get rejected. And the lows is definitely going to be the bigger, faster play where you can make a lot of money. But
I mean, had to take one right there, dude. I mean, fuck. Had to take one on this candle.
Yeah.
I mean, that was a fucking 15% candle. One candle.
Yeah. You got to take a little bit of that.
Okay. I didn't know if that was just a bad move when you play them out so far.
No. I mean, you got to think about it. That level's got to be strong, right? If it just broke through there, then we got bigger problems. But yeah, I would definitely expect that to expect that level to bounce a little bit.
Need to go buy a new weed whacker today, D. I needed that.
That's right, Biggs.
Yeah, I caught that. I caught that reversal candle.
There you go.
Nice.
I'm up like 2,500, 2,200 on the day. So I'm done.
There you go.
There you go, man. Good day. See, I went the opposite this time. I messed up and played it on my futures. This time I was like, fuck that. I'm playing with my options.
These voice just kept going through my head. You gotta wait till it confirms. You gotta wait till that bottom confirms. So I was like, it's not confirming. It's going the other way. I grabbed it. I actually first lost 215. And then I saw it still pushing, and I was like, it's breaking. Oh, it's still pushing. So I caught it technically at like, let's say 14,551 or something like that. And I rode it all the way to the 20 SMA.
There you go.
Because I only did one
that thing.
And then
that thing tried to fake you out right there on the that big pull that it pulled underneath that level. You see that? That's what you were talking about? You went down 200 right away.
No, so when it went down, when did I get in on that 215? I got in at 538. So I let it pull back and then I think it did like a big. Because I was looking at the median for my right profile, where there was a lot of purchase orders. So I bought that to go down. It went back down. And I think that's when it made that cap of like 519, and then it turned around and came back up. And I was like, all right, if it breaks the previous candle, I'm out. So it broke the previous candle. It flooded there for a couple of seconds, and it started pushing up again. And then I was like, all right, it didn't break the previous. It broke the previous candle. Wick came back to the top of the previous candle itself. Flooded for a couple of seconds, started turning around, and I was like, this is a reversal.
Yeah, man.
It's like early in the day, everybody wants to make more money. So I was like, I'm going to snag this bitch right now. Oh, I could have hung out even longer.
That level was huge, that 351.30 area on the Qs, which was like that 1400 on the futures. What was it on the futures?
Yeah.
It was
like 14,520.
Yeah, 14,520, yeah.
50. But then I pushed past the 50 and I was like, let's see what it does at the 20. Got to the 20, flooded a little bit. It did break over it, so I should have stayed in it, but I'm more than satisfied with what I got.
I was gonna say, you're never wrong with taking $2,500 wherever you sell it.
Yeah, I was literally playing off fire. Like, these candles never work in my favor, ever.
You just
they know when you buy, man. They know right when you buy, they know.
Right?
It's like when you gamble football. What's up, man? Went to the Ravens game yesterday, D.
Yeah.
What a fucking turd game that was. I don't like either team, so it's like I just want to see a good game, you know. Like killer seats, dude. Fucking first row in the goal line, man.
Yeah, big fucking blowout. Biggs is what that was.
What a waste. I was sitting right in the middle of a bunch of Lions fans too.
Yeah.
Which I didn't care. I mean, I had a Ray Lewis jersey on, but whatever.
Yeah.
Are you giving them shit, Biggs?
No, I don't really like the Ravens. I wore it because I went with my buddy who has season tickets, but we end up we go into his seats and it was just like a fucking sea of blue, dude. Like we're sitting right in the middle of these dudes.
Yeah.
But it was a turd game, man. Ravens smoked them. But I got Lamar in my
How far is the stadium away?
It's about an hour, man. But I went up there. My buddy owns this place called Jimmy's Seafood. It's probably one of the more popular places in the area. Like a lot of teens, when they come in town, they go there and eat and shit. But he holds this big ass event for home football games. He calls it the Tailgate. So like he has a bunch of people coming in, man. Like Ray Rice and fucking Lewis.
They still let Ray Rice be a part of the squad.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I know. Yeah. Well, shoot, man. Look at all these other guys.
Yeah, I know.
Kamara did the same shit.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, Ray Rice is a good dude, man. Like minus what he did, you know what I mean? Like he's
I'm surprised they ran that guy out of the league for that bullshit, bro.
Yeah, he's a really good dude, man. To be honest with you. Yeah, we all went to the restaurant afterwards and we're hanging out because it was Terrell Suggs. He got inducted into the Ravens Ring of Honor. Yeah, so a bunch of those dudes are in town.
Seen that.
Mm-hmm. Are you watching Meta First Hour Highs? It's confirmed.
You know what I am watching, Andre? Them fucking Q calls, baby.
Oh, you're sitting long or what?
Yeah, man. From that level, man. That level, 350, 130.
Fuck yeah, big. Let's take all these fools' money, huh?
I wish. Fuck, man. About time one of them went my way, man. That
Hey,
motherfucker's running
they cut out
25%.
right here. And I saw this. I was like, man, I think it's gonna go up to that candle. Oh, it's even breaking it. I should have stayed in it. I would have been up like $3,000 right now.
Big, how many do you got? 3, 4, 5?
I had 4, but I bought them out for Halloween. But man, the thing took off. I told D, I'm like, I feel bad selling these things right away, but fuck that, man. They were up like just in that one candle, they're up 15%.
Mhm.
I thought I would have
Oh, yeah.
had it right here because it would have been starting to come back.
Oh, these
So I
contracts are fucking juiced, dude.
Yeah, they got earnings this week.
Who's that?
I think Meta's got
Meta.
earnings this week.
Oh, Meta, yeah.
Oh, here it goes. Another break.
Order filled.
Now we got to be looking at the hourlies.
It is.
What we got on them hourlies, D?
Meta.
Nvidia and Meta got room.
Yeah,
Mhm.
I was in
It is.
Nvidia. I'm still
Nice.
in a little bit of runners on that, but
Hey.
Q's are
Close my
confirming.
contract.
Q's got room to about 650 and then 665.
Yeah, man. I might just fucking. I don't know, man. I might just cut these things, dude.
Order filled.
Start the week off green, no bigs.
Yeah, man. Might as well fucking get rid of these, man. I took made all my party money back from yesterday, man.
Oh yeah, there you go.
I was fucking burning some stogies last night. I can't even fucking feel my tongue.
Yeah, yeah. There you go.
What the fuck? Have fun, bigs.
I'm taking off the Nvidias. We just hit the hourly 50, so I'll be done with that. You know how we do it, Biggs. Take profits into supply. Supply to supply,
baby.
demand to demand.
Tell
It's
myself
not
to
not rocket science.
say what I
Not
got
rocket
back.
science, baby.
Mm-mm. For you guys on YouTube who are looking at option side of things, so if you notice the Nvidia 1 hour candle confirmed this last hour candle, which is a pre-market highs, and then as it was doing that, that's also confirming the 20 SMA on an hourly that had room into the 50 SMA. So between 414 50s had room to 419. So that's kind of how you play that. You know, you trust technicals, you get in over supply into the next supply, take your profits. Whether this goes up another 10 or not, it is what it is, but you just have to respect it. So it's a decent trade.
All right, gentlemen, have a great day.
All right, man. Take
All
care.
right, man. Hey, good
job.
trade, buddy.
There's
So we'll watch. What'd you say? Meta, right? Meta's still pushing higher. Meta has room to 313.
That's pushing right now.
Yeah. Are you already in it?
No, not yet. See what it does at 7. Just popping. $310.85 is the high. I get you.
So those first hour highs on the futures are also around 14,643. That has room to 658. Back into a previous demand zone from last week. Did you get all out of those cues, Biggs?
Yeah, I did, man. I didn't want to fuck with them. I was up fucking like $350, dude.
There you go.
I just was like, fuck, I'll take that real quick. I can see this thing coming back, testing it again. Fucking.
Mm-hmm.
I'm watching it. I'm filtering back to that Spotify, dude.
What's that thing doing, Biggs?
Nothing. It just took off on that hourly candle. Went up and tested that daily 50 and got rejected right there. So. But again, I think it's an earnings play coming up too this week. So we've got a bunch of shit going on. I took a small one. I just took 2 contracts on it. See if I can get a little cash flow on this rejection.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's get going. Let's go, Biggs.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this son of a bitch before earnings.
A little help from these cues, man. This thing's gonna come back down for us.
Stop filled.
Hey, Biggs, talk to me. Talk to me.
What you got?
Meta calls.
Is that
310
your
calls.
end?
Yeah.
There you go.
Looking to get on the board. Start the morning off,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. First trade always sets the tone.
Yeah. This thing's got room, man. B13 at least.
Tesla looks like it's bounced pretty good, man. Fuck. Like a $5 bounce.
Mm-hmm.
D's probably sitting in it.
No.
Right.
That sounded like you were.
No.
You're in these metas with me or no?
Yeah.
So your 310 calls too?
Mm-hmm.
We go. Push this son of a bitch.
Qs are having a tough spot up
Gee.
here at the top. They're trapped below this 20 SMA, so on a 1 hour chart.
They're messing with yesterday's lows right here at 354.37.
We go, D. Let's go. 312. Wait.
Trying though.
A little bit harder, huh, Biggs? Fuck this
That's
trying
right.
shit. Oh, man. Flying around the bulls right now. Oh.
Order filled.
Take a little walk around the park, Biggs, and see what's going on. Some of these hourlies.
Mm-hmm. I ain't even look back at old ENPH. What's my girl doing? She's struggling. Man, that crowd strike came all the way down into like the 173s.
What were we watching that at?
Shit, man. The rejection was 190.
Yeah.
But then, I mean, I think Friday. I think you got in at like 180 something.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking dropped that thing down into 176.
Yeah.
Oh, Halliburton. That was a fucking short too, man. Off that, what was that, 44? Thing fell off. Told you.
Told you. Still holding that?
No.
Fuck no, huh?
Mm-mm.
Maybe NVIDIA over 419.75's got about a $2 left in that trade. NASDAQ's kind of getting stuck here underneath the 5-minute 200.
Dang man, little feuds.
Usually clear out this hourly 20.
Yeah, you're gonna need to watch. The Bulls got to get over that hourly 20, which looks like it's around 660 right here. So trying to make that push. If they can get that push over, those meta calls will do pretty well for themselves. Bigsy, you're short. Kind of watch out a little bit.
Yeah, I got you.
You can just, I guess, for your sake, you can look at the cues. Look at that hourly 200. Should be matched up right here, though.
Mm-hmm.
Fuck, Biggs, you're going against us?
Just with Spotify, but I only took 1 or 2 contracts. I'm down $40. I'm gonna give it this hour. I mean, if it clears out this hourly supply for me, I'll just get out of it. Unless it fucking takes off in the meantime.
If you're just looking for $1, you got it on Meta.
Mm-hmm. How many contracts did you take?
You got 5. These things are expensive.
Mm-hmm.
I'm in at 14. Field price at $1,400.
That meta confirmed the first hour's highs. Like I said, it had room from over that 50 on a 1 hour 419.75 into 421.40. So again, if anyone took that, you're up about $1 here. You might want to think about taking some profits.
NVIDIA, you mean?
Yeah, NVIDIA 419.60s. It's popped up to 420.80, so that's $1 there from entry if you were sitting on that chart, and it has room to 421.30. So just take profits on the way up, because you've already missed the bigger trade from 414, unless you're in it from 415ish. Then this is just holding that runner. These fucking meta contracts are not moving for shit, dude.
What'd you take? 10 of them?
No, only took 5. What are you up on those?
Now 135.
Yeah, see that? I'm not up nothing, bro. About the same, 137 bucks.
IV on these things. .
First attempt on the NASDAQ testing that 1 hour 20 SMA has been rejected. So at any point in time in the day, if we take out 14,660, that would be your long position over that hourly 20. If not, this is coming back down. I'm probably not even going to hold these metas for too long, to be honest. If they don't start doing something. Yeah, same thing on a lot of things. They're coming up to like hourly supplies, and then everything's stalling out right now. So again, you know, you got to think about what happened last week with the market. You know, any type of pop that you get today might be worth shorting, just due to the fact that the bulls are still under a lot of supply. Like, and when you're really down like this, the best plays on like the dead cat bounces are the ones right off the bell. So like versus, let's say, last week and even the week before, a lot of times when you were taking those first moves long off the bell, they were getting rejected right away and then falling down. Right now, when you're so far down, those first moves are going to go, and then it's like the confirmation on the lows are the ones that are going to get rejected versus the way it was last week. It's just because where we're at. Amazon's confirming the first hour highs, though right now it's getting stuck right here at this 20 SMA, but it looks nice. Amazon looks nice. It does have room back up to 127 on a daily chart.
Took 115 on the feuds. I did first
Fucking
entry
Tesla.
over that 20 hourly. Yeah, I miscounted. Today's my 10th day on Apex. I logged back in this morning. I checked it. Today's my 10th day.
Maybe Amazon over 120, Amazon over 125.50 be clearing out supply, and on a daily chart that's got room. A little bit of a dead cat bounce into 127.50s, but I'd try to take profits closer to 126.5, 127. Five-minute chart's got room to 127.30s. I'm gonna set an alert on this thing. Let's see what the futures are doing. So futures pop, like the futures was a really good play on that 20 play at 645. 645 confirmed at 605. It's up 50 points since that 20 play. The last play was at 7:15 PST when we confirmed the 20 SMA at 1660 into 1672. That's 12 points there, little baby scalp. So technically has room to 690s. That depends on where someone got in. You know, if you got in on the 20 play at 645, 650, you should be cashed out and off the computer screen. If you just took the baby scalp over the 200, then maybe you're looking to still try to take these little scalps over 70s into 90s and then try to wrap it up on the day. Or wait for your pullback. Because again, the pressure is still down, obviously, on all daily charts. I'm setting an alert for this week on NVIDIA below 410.
$4 move.
Something got triggered. Amazon.
Future back over.
Amazon got triggered. NVIDIA over 424.71. Again, it's up $10. So anyone who's looking still at NVIDIA, be careful. But this is taking out previous hour highs, and it would be confirming a 5 SMA. That's going to have room to stretch all the way back into the 430s, to be honest. I don't know if that's going to do that today all in one shot, but it does have room on this dead cat bounce here.
Fuck yeah, D Meta. What you up now on these bastards?
Fucking Tesla, dude, just won't stop. Fucking 210.
You're trying to short it, Biggs?
No, man, I added some shares at like 203.
Oh, you added some?
Well, I did down there, but I was just trying to just build up a position, man. I added 20 shares there. I was gonna fucking kind of
Tesla goes red to green over 210.69. You're gonna have room into 212.50 in case anyone wants to play those options.
I mean,
210.78. Keep that on watch. That would be red to green.
Okay.
That'll have at least another $1.50, $2 there. So options guys will have a little bit of room to still make some money. Again, if you added anywhere on the floor, then you know maybe 212 would be your first area to take some profits.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just in commons, but geez, dude, I mean, just on 20 commons made a quick $120.
Yeah, you're not going to complain on that, Biz.
No, I mean, I was just trying to build a position. I figured we were going to drop below 200. I mean, which we may still, but I mean,
Here comes this Tesla.
Yeah, I'm hard pressed not to. I'll end up getting rid of these.
Stacking that day up, Biggs, no? Stack it up.
Yeah, I mean, might as well get rid of these. Spotify got me for 120 though, but whatever.
Wash your hands of that play, huh, Biggs? Dead play.
Yeah, I just took the loss. It's all right. Tried it.
So that NASDAQ over the 14,660s first hour highs confirmed the 20 on the hourly and has gone up to 684. That's about a 20-point move. So if anyone took the first hour confirmation, if you're scalping it, you should be out already for profit. If you're still holding it for a little bit, you're coming into more supply here around the 700s. And 5-minute charts at the linear regression, top Bollinger Band. So definitely a good spot to take profits on the futures if you're long. The move has already happened. It's already gave 2 setups. So if you're late and you're wondering where to get in, you know, go to make an appointment at the eye doctors and check your eyes. Well, I mean, it's that you know, sometimes
I know.
So, you know, because you know what happens. People are like, "It's a good spot to get in on the Qs." Well, why didn't you get in over here at 600? You know, why didn't you get in over here at 661? Why are you asking all the way at the top at 687? Makes no sense. So what are you looking at? Like, people get stuck just looking at the chart and they're like, is it still going up? Is it still going up? Next thing you know, they're like, oh, okay, it's going up. And then it fucking comes back on them 30 points and they're wondering what the fuck happened.
It's a cutthroat business, eh?
Yeah, people, I mean, that's because people don't know what the hell they're looking for. You know, if you have an edge, you got a strategy. What is your strategy telling you? You know, what is your strategy telling you? Like, is it telling you that you have a new good setup here? Then take the damn setup. Is it telling you that it's just going higher and there's no setup, your setup passed? Then there's your answer, right? Then you have to sit on your freaking hump. Sit on your hump, Biggs.
Sit on it.
Yeah.
Sit on the hump.
Sit on
Get
the
a
hump.
nice fucking get a nice seat cushion. You know, it's a long day here at the office.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna sell half size on these metas. They're up, you know, almost $1.50, $2 or something like that. I'm just gonna sell half.
I got Qs. It's hourly supply at 355.20.
Are you still holding those Q? No, you're out of the Q calls.
No, I'm out. Yeah, I'm out of them. Yeah. I took actually Q puts right here, dude.
There you go.
God damn it, Biggs.
Well, 355, like 355.20. I got a spot of supply on my hourly. Old Fidelity.
Old Fidelity. Actually, I'm just kicking meta out altogether. I don't have time to mess around with this today.
There we go.
Take the gains and then that's it. Where, I mean, I'm at hourly supply. I mean, what am I really looking for here? Another 30-40 cents? Nah. That's Biggs squeezing water out of the rock. Remember Biggs used to be Biggs would take that
holding
rock.
that one runner.
That fucking rock is just, it's dry and you're fucking still squeezing out the juice on it. The move happened already.
Biggs.
The move happened already. So again, little recap for everyone on YouTube. First hour highs put in at 311, give or take, right? Some change, just call it 311. Over 311, once it confirms, you get long. Okay, where do you sell and where do you take profits? Into the next area of supply. So where's the next area of supply? You see this red line? This red line sitting at around 313. Okay, cool. So if we're in at 311 and we're selling here at 312.40s, all right, cool. So you took $1.50, $1.30. Even if you were late, you still had to have taken $1 on it. Just take your damn profits. Now, what if it goes up to 314? Who cares? That's not your money. That's not your play. Your play was here to here. That's it. Here to here. Done. That's how simple it is. Don't make it harder than what it is. What would your stop loss have been? Well, if we lost the 20 here, 309.70s, or, you know, if you want to be tight about it and you want to let it go more, you got 309.20s, and then your last call at the bar was at 308.36. So that's it.
Last call at the bar, dude. You always gotta get two. You gotta buy two.
Yeah, grab 2 of them. When they say last call, just order 2 of them. Biggs, you get down to the old watering hole this weekend or no?
No, we had my daughter's, my youngest. Well, not the youngest, but my 5-year-old's birthday party on Saturday. So
There you go. Would you have a clown?
no,
No clowns, Biggs?
no clowns.
Aren't you afraid of clowns, Biggs?
No, I'm not afraid of clowns.
Just a man with some face paint on, huh, Biggs?
Yeah, that's it.
I hate those motherfuckers, Biggs. Those things are scary as shit.
It takes a special guy to dress up as a clown and go to a party.
I was just gonna say that you gotta be a
Or Biggs, it takes the other guy to pay him $2,000 to go to that party, huh?
yeah.
That's true.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't know which one's worse, Biggs. The
I
guy.
could probably get my boy Lyle, who jumps around in the Oriole bird suit, to fucking come over as a clown.
Yeah, Lyle likes that kind of stuff. He's cut out for that shit. Fucking Lyle.
Come on, Q's, give me a little retest. 353 70s.
Come on, Lyle. Come on, Lyle. Why are the futures going down? Because you hit supply. What supply? Resistance.
Well,
I thought you were asking a question right now, Diaz. Like, seriously?
No, that's what people are thinking. That's what people are thinking.
they got to go up all day.
Yeah. Why are they going?
There we
Why
go.
is?
I'll take that.
I thought it was.
Anybody
going
jumping
higher.
on them Q puts with me, man? Come on now.
No, I did.
What are we doing here? What are we doing, guys?
Yeah. I know. Where do you?
What are we doing?
Where do you want to take profits at? Down here.
About right in here, I say 353 70s.
Attaboy,
But you're
Biggs.
getting close. Yeah.
Attaboy, Biggs.
I took two off the table there, man.
There you go. Yeah. Why would someone take calls here? I don't know. Because you hit supply and then you had a red candle pulling back, so you use the high of day as a stop and you ride them into the areas of support. It's not hard, guys. It's really not hard. Do you win all of them? Of course not.
Yeah, we came up and cracked. Do you have anything on your hourly, man, at 355 pretty much?
No, I didn't. I have like
It's mean, man, like these
Like-
fucking charts.
I have I guess this would be when futures opened. I have their highs right here at around 356.
Okay.
I got the pre-market opening up and then dropping at like 355 60s.
All right, well, flip to your half hour. Tell me what you got at 355.
355, I've got the 50 EMA.
Okay.
You got something like that?
Yep.
There it is. Yeah. So for people listening, why would our guy over here take puts? Well, because you ran into a 50 SMA, a linear regression, and a 50 EMA. That's all supply. So when we cracked that and then we didn't confirm that going higher and started to pull back, your play is to set a stop loss at this high of day, and then you take this down into the areas of support, right? So if it's just a back test, well, then our guy can take profits all the way down into here. And then if it breaks 355 30s, 355 50s, well, then he can just get out. It's a clear defined risk, right? So now if he doesn't take profits down here and it bounces on
I
it.
got it at 353.73 is going to be my last stop.
Yeah. So if he doesn't take these profits and it comes back against him and he starts crying, well, that's his fault. He sees where it could have went, right? It's not rocket science. Very simple. Once you understand what you're looking for, everything becomes simple. Like, you're looking for specific things to happen in the market, and when they happen, you act on them. And if they don't go to planned, you get out. And when they go to planned, you take your profits. It's nothing more than that.
Nope.
Simple business, Biggs.
Yeah, man. It's nice when it goes your way.
Yeah.
But just like Spotify, man. I mean, yeah, I don't even know what it's doing now. It probably came back.
It's probably down $5.
Yeah, I mean, I just took my loss. Fuck it, you know.
Yeah. Didn't like it.
Nope. Look at that. It would have fucking burned me.
Would have
It's
smoked
still,
you.
it's still pumping.
Yeah. A little pullback, but that would have toasted me if I'd have stayed in it.
Where's Shippy at, man?
New job, man.
Fuck.
He said he wasn't going to be around that much.
I'm not gonna be around that much, but he's gonna be posting $2,000 wins every once in a while.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he was over. He was over this weekend.
Yeah.
Anything new going on with him, Mix?
On a heater, man. I
Yeah.
said, I know. I've been seeing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we see your posts on shit.
Tell him just to protect it. Shit this time, Biggs.
I know, man.
Don't give it all back.
I wonder how much he's up on the year.
Shep?
Yeah.
I don't know if he's up on the year at all.
You serious?
Look at
Yeah.
Look at Biggs. Come on.
Well,
Biggs.
I'm just saying. I mean, just from talking to him, I
thought this
know.
guy was up $250,000 this year, man.
Yeah, I mean, I think he's got a long way to go to recoup what he was down when he went overseas.
Yeah.
You know if he has any like long term stuff Biggs he holds or no? Just all options.
Nah, he's got a 401k through his company, but I don't think he really gets in there and like puts it in what he wants.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, because he was asking me last week about long plays and what would be good. I'm like, I'm the wrong guy to ask, dude. But play.
Yeah, I mean, with what he's doing now, it's probably a little bit better to fucking just buy some shit if he's not going to be in front of it.
Yeah.
But with these cues,
yeah,
and that's why you sell at the supply, right?
Something hit. Tesla took out the highs. Tesla took out that level I was looking at.
I'm taking these Teslas.
Tesla took out that level I was looking at. What you were in long? Oh yeah, the shares. Yeah, the shares.
I had those. Yeah. I mean, I just like I said, I started a position at 204.10 or something.
Fuck, bitch, you got $6 on that thing?
Yeah, I mean, I only had.
Yeah, imagine if you would have fucking played the options. Yeah, good job, Biggs.
I know.
Good job.
Well, I was just kind of,
What do you say, Biggs? Gonna build into my position.
I was just starting to build a position, and she took off. Sometimes you just got to take it, D, and let her come back down to you.
That's right. They always come back.
Mm-hmm.
Is it back over the daily 200 now? Tesla?
What?
Tesla? The daily 200?
No, not even close. The
Might be a
200
nice
sitting at
rejection.
215.
Might be a nice rejection spot, Biggs, right there.
Yeah.
Daily 200.
Yeah, we got supply at 211.50. That's next stop, and then we have room to 212.40s. That would be next stop, and then anything over 212, it would definitely try to come back and test this 215. So those are your spots on Tesla. Good little reversal candle here on the daily on Tesla, right? I mean, if someone did want to get long, I mean, shit, Biggs, you were down there at 203. You might as well have just fucking held the things.
Well,
might as well just held the things. Played for another 10,
We'll
20
see.
bucks.
yeah. I'll buy them at tomorrow's open
Yeah.
when it back tests that area. I'll scoop some up again.
Yeah. There you go, Biggs.
Thank you's back up to this top channel. Or I guess this middle channel. $6.95 is the key.
Yeah, there you go, Biggs.
Porterfield.
There's Tesla coming into that 211.40s. That's your first stop on the 5-minute. Hey, Biggs, what's going on with your guys' quarterback over there? He's hurt? Where the hell's Biggs at?
Yeah, sorry, man. I had you on mute.
He's hurt?
Yeah, fucking done for the season, dude.
What's wrong with him?
He fucking landed on his shoulder
No, okay.
wrong way, so they're gonna fucking give him some surgery. Do some surgery on his ass.
Richardson.
Yeah, man.
He got hurt when he got smoked in the end zone. No, when he made that touchdown run.
Yeah, well, he got a concussion, so he missed one game because of that, and then the next one he was like trying to slide, and
you guys got Minshew mania right now, right?
Yeah, Minshew's ripping it up, man.
Yeah, I always liked that kid. Just pure gamer.
He's a gamer. Yeah.
Hell of a mustache, Biggs.
Oh yeah.
He's got a killer stash. So anyone
you should grow one, Biggs.
Did anyone take? I'm not talking to you guys, but just in general on YouTube. Did anyone take Tesla over first hour highs? The level was 210.70s. It's not hard to see, right? So if you take it over the first hour highs, it has room here to 212, which is a 20 SMA on a 1 hour time frame. If you were watching a 5 minute time frame and say, well, I wasn't looking at that, well, then what the hell were you looking at? Because still over the 210.70s, which was here, had room to push into 211.50s. So that's even $1, and it's up another 50 cents from there. What are we looking at? You know, and if you didn't take that, then why didn't you take the 20 SMA play at 710 over 208.74s? You'd really be sitting right. That's $4 up. So again, what are you looking at? It's just an open-ended question, but like you got to ask yourself, if you're not making any money right now, why? Because, you know, what are you looking at? Then if you're not making any money right now, or you don't have stocks or even the futures to be playing, you don't have an edge. Because if you had an edge, your edge would be showing itself, right? So I don't get that. I'm done for the day. I'm out of these. I'm getting out of these Teslas. I'm done for the day.
Yeah,
dude, I'm done for the day.
D, hell of a fucking rant, D.
Well, I mean, I just don't know what it is that people need to be focused on, you know, because a lot of people are missing the mark. They're just missing the mark altogether, you know. It's like, what are you looking for? Like, you have to ask yourself that. What are you looking for? You know, do you know what you're looking for or not? If you don't know what you're looking for, then how are you going to make any money? You know.
Just tell Biggs' plays.
Yeah, just get on here and just,
you know,
yep.
Yeah, or just
keep them ears open and a quick trigger finger.
Yeah. And that's how a lot of people want to play it. What is that person in? What is this person in? Okay, well, I've been in 3 plays today. Did anyone tail me on that?
Right. Well, by the time they ask what are you in, or if there's a play on the cues,
it's too late.
It's already in.
Yeah. And you know that's how people don't know what the fuck they're doing. There was 9 viewers right now, and then it dropped all the way down to 2. These guys like that. I don't want to be put on the spot. Yeah, this is the wrong spot. This is the wrong place to be if you don't want to get put on the spot. It's the wrong spot to be, Biggs.
It's all right. I like when guys flow into the room because then it takes the pressure off me.
Yeah,
you ain't yelling at us anymore.
Yeah, we're not gonna hammer Biggs. No, Biggs. You know what? Biggs, you really turned around when I told you that one day. Man, you already know what you're doing. If you're not going to make any money, I don't know how to help you. I don't know how to help you anymore.
Yeah, that's it. It's like, dude, you've been here for this long. I don't know, man. And I'm thinking like, oh shit, I think that was the last life jacket he's going to throw me.
I'm like, dude, I already told you everything that I know, bro. Like, I told you everything I know. This is how I'm playing. If you still can't make any money, I don't know what to tell you anymore. You're on your fucking own. Next thing you know, Biggs is scrounging. I'm seeing the charts real clear after that, Biggs.
Yeah, man, you got me. You got my attention, buddy.
Good. Yeah, that's what some people just they don't get it, man. Just pick it up. Not hard.
It's on the floor. Pick it up.
Yeah, it's right there, Biggs. Just pick it up. That was a hell of a 20 play though on the Qs. 605 to 680. Fuck. Missed all of that.
We got on Feuds.
Shoots are boxed in right now.
Mhm.
5 minutes.
I think this spot right here is going to be rough for us, though, man.
It's got to get over 695.
Yeah, it's just my QQQ hourly, well, half hour for you guys, man. It's got to get this 50 is going to, I'm going to hang it up a little bit.
What's the
Look at
50 at
little
on
rough.
your chart?
That half hour, like
Yeah,
34, 355 area on the Qs. And it's where we keep getting stuffed. We tried to push through, but I think that area is going to play tough on it. I think we come back to retest that 20. That 20 is coming in line with some of my hourly support underneath around 350, 380. So maybe $1 down. We got pre-market highs 355.74, so kind of right in that. D-Man, you pass out candy for Halloween?
Probably not, dude.
Yeah. You don't get many guys, too many trick-or-treaters?
Yeah, actually, my neighborhood gets flooded, bro.
He's the guy
Come
that
on,
keeps the
man.
lights off. No one's home.
Yeah, he's gonna throw a big old fucking egg on your porch.
Yeah, I know. I used to, man. When I first moved in here,
No,
I would fucking hand it out, and it's just like, man, you can't even fucking sit down, dude. You can't even sit down. It's coming back. I feel like I've seen a couple of those costumes come back a couple times too, Biggs.
Yeah, just throw the bowl on the porch and say, "Please take one."
Yeah, yeah.
When it runs out, it runs out.
Yeah,
Yeah, right. The first people that come through are gonna take it all.
yeah, I know. Shit's gone. Yeah, I don't know. It's on a Tuesday. I mean, I'm not doing anything on that day anyway. So
Yeah.
I'll be around, but
Tuesday it does suck.
yeah.
My birthday falls on a weekend this year, though.
There you go, Biggs.
Yeah.
You gonna get into something nice?
I don't know, man. I don't know what we're gonna do. Not sure.
It's a big one, though. Biggs 50.
Yeah, 50. Might as well. 46. I'm on that end of it.
Well, it doesn't sound right, big. It's not 40, not 45. Might as well say 50, no?
I'm 50.
50. Then you'll be 50 for the next 4 years. See how that works?
Yeah.
Yeah. Biggs, I've been telling everyone at the bar I'm 40 for a long time now, man.
Mm-hmm.
That way, when they look shocked and they say, "Well, how old do I look?" They say, "You're only about 30." I'm like, "Oh, thank you." You know, try to keep up try to keep it up a little bit.
What do you say, Andre? You're 30?
Fuck no, 21.
21.
Too?
This guy can't pass for fucking being a day over 22 if his life depended on it, man. Little baby face.
Still get carded, bigs, and then they do that funny shit where they put the ID up in the light. I don't know what the hell they're looking at.
Bend it around.
That's my picture. What are you looking at?
Yeah, because you know what the problem is with Andre's fucking ID? It's the same picture from when he got his license, bro. This guy's got no facial hair, no nothing. Just
Yeah, you gotta change that up.
Yeah, dude, go take another fucking picture.
Big fresh when I was like 18.
Damn.
Fresh out the pinta.
That's rough, man.
Yeah.
That's rough. 18 years old and you're still rocking that at the bars. That's tough, man.
It's a hell of a look.
You haven't had to take a new picture? I gotta renew my license this year, Biggs, and they want me to go and take the goddamn written test again.
They just send it in the mail, and then
they gotta check your eyes.
Yeah. It's the first time
Well,
I had to do that.
the way you were driving the other night, it would get your eyes checked too.
Places to be, man.
Damn, this thing is just.
So we got the NASDAQ stuffed on the 5 minute here at this linear regression at 693s. Are you still holding those metas?
No, I'm out. I'm trying to play these futures now.
Mm,
You didn't sell yours?
I've been out,
I want these feuds to get over this linear regression on the 5 minute.
Yeah. You're going to take the first pop over it?
Yeah. Quick one.
Yeah.
It's already tested it 3 times. The 4th one needs to get through big and needs to get through fast.
Yeah, I see that. The Bollinger Band's sitting up there like 720s. So maybe
That's a good 20 points.
Yeah. What are you gonna you gonna play
until 8 o'clock?
You gonna play minis on that thing?
Just one. I'm already up 115 on the day.
Then I don't know why you have to play any more then.
Like a nice round number, dude.
Huh. And Biggs, what are you looking at?
I'm still watching for this thing to break down right here, man.
Oh, you're still in the shorts?
I'm sitting in the feud shorts right now. Sorry, Andre. I sold those shorts. I sold those.
I'm not in it. I'm not in it yet.
Yeah, those cues I sold. I'm out of those. Luckily, because that fucking next candle was that big green one.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I'm sitting just in 3 minis on futures right here.
Just in 3, huh?
Oh, minis, that's not bad.
Oh, you're in 3 minis?
Well, MNQ.
Oh, micros.
Micros, yeah.
I was gonna say 3 minis.
Oh yeah, no. I really don't play those too much, man.
Yeah.
I play the MNQs, 3 to 5 of those.
There you go.
Right here, yeah.
Everyone's fucking quiet today. Everyone's still hungover from the weekend or what?
Man, I woke up foggy, buddy. Whew.
Yeah. Yeah, but guess what?
Shot of Jameson at the end of the night. Whew, rocks me, man.
You know what, Biggs? At least you showed up to work, though, right?
Yeah.
You showed up to work. Some of these guys don't show up
to work. One eye open.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
I don't know how you're not going to make any money if you're not showing up to work, Biggs. I never understood that.
Nope.
Be careful on those futures, Biggs.
Yeah, I'm watching it.
Yeah, big spot here on the futures.
Yeah, man. Someone's saying, stop.
Who's that, man? You got your friend next to you or what?
Fucking dog, Biggs. You need a dog?
No.
Biggs already let his dog go.
Yeah.
That's because he had one of those.
I'll take your dog. I'll get rid of him for you if you want.
Damn, Biggs.
Biggs, this is a thoroughbred, Biggs. Thoroughbred.
Oh yeah, yeah, thoroughbred. What is it?
Yeah,
post
a picture of that. Post a picture of that guy.
Yeah, thoroughbred, micro bully, Biggs. Hear about those dogs?
Ah, yeah, man, yeah. When did you just get that thing? Did you just now get it?
No, a couple months ago.
Oh, okay.
Post a picture of that fat boy, man.
What's his name, man? What'd you name him?
Odie. Oaty.
Okay. There you go, like fucking Garfield.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, Biggs. At least someone knew.
Yeah, I didn't know what the hell. I thought it was naming it oatmeal because it was brown.
Biggs, I just sent a picture in the off-topic chat room. Take a look.
All right.
Give me your thoughts.
Mm-hmm. Let me see. Oh yeah, man, he's cool looking. Dang, he's bigger than I thought. But
But
yeah.
he's a short little bastard, Biggs. That he's not big at all, man.
Oh no,
Yeah.
but I just meant
He's-
like girthy.
Oh,
wise.
yeah.
I thought he was going to be like one of those.
Yeah, he's thick.
Like yeah,
He's low to the ground.
yeah, that's cool.
Futures are still pushing up here.
Mm-hmm.
Dude's a fucking tank, Biggs. Eats twice a day.
Yeah, he should eat twice a day.
95, Biggs, be careful.
Yeah, I know. Fucker.
Close and go, 95. Order failed.
Order filled.
They can't let give your dog away. Kind of crazy.
Fucking let that thing go, huh, Biggs?
Mm-hmm. Here we
What
go.
was he doing? Turning up the lawn or what?
I mean, yeah, he would, but I didn't really let him out too much of the front because he'd fucking run away. So I had to put him. I had to put him out the back, man.
Trying to get away from your ass, Biggs.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was cool in the beginning, Biggs. Remember sleeping on your chest? Biggs fucking had him in the bed. I said, Biggs, that's not
He was all right.
that's not gonna last too long, Biggs. Got that guy all over the bed like that. No, he's all right, man. He's all right. Fucking month later, Biggs pissed off. Fucker doesn't get out of bed.
Fucking shit. Was your wife mad, Biggs, or she didn't really care?
She didn't care. She's the one that wanted to get rid of him, though. So
Mhm. Kids are
Yeah,
probably a little
yeah.
upset, no, Biggs? There's that pop. There's that
There it is.
pop.
There's your pop.
Hey, that pop, baby.
Order filled.
This candle close.
There's that pop. So again, YouTubers, 694 all the way up to 703, about 10 points there. If you're looking for a little scalp like that, I should have taken that. If you're looking for the bigger move, I mean, you give it all the way down to like 687. Andre's getting
Pre-market
stuffed.
highs.
Andre's getting stuffed on those minis.
Yeah.
I told you there's no reason for you to take a trade. You're already up. Get the fucking payout
Why didn't you
first.
sell it though?
Get the
On
payout
that pop
first.
right there, that pop
Because he
was
got
the
in
sell,
late.
wasn't
He
it?
got in late. He got in late. That's
I
all.
let this candle close, and I took it once it cleared out to 702.
I got you.
And that's what I asked you too. Are you going to take it on the break or the close? There's here. You should get.
There it is.
Relax. Everyone needs to relax. Got a lot of support right here.
Got a lot of
See, what was that thing you say? Previous resistance turns into next support. See?
Yeah.
Now it's support. Now I'm up fucking $75. Kiss my ass.
Yeah.
There you go.
210 on the day.
Yeah. Good. Just stop there.
Got to break this though.
Get your
It's
payout
fucking-
and call it a day.
So let me just see the execution wise, D. Yeah, sounds about right.
What?
Bought at
sounds about-
700. Bought at 700, sold at 704. About 4 points.
Yeah.
Stop. And I said, damn it. I don't listen, Biggs.
Because he wants to fucking go for a run. I keep telling you, take his ass for a run to the corner.
Money hasn't been made yet. Not time right now.
Get the girl over there. Take him for a walk. No, Biggs.
Yeah.
Nah, Big. She's already talking about putting him in costumes, and he needs fucking a new collar and like all this stuff that just unnecessary, if you ask me. It's a dog,
Well,
right?
how you walk them if you don't have a collar?
No, like one of those fancy collars just to wear around the house.
Oh, I got you. Like a big fucking like spikes or something.
Not even that. Like it's more like diamonds, like little
some girl
little,
shit.
yeah,
don't
fucking
do bling
glittery
them out.
shit, Biggs.
Yeah,
Right.
don't do that.
He's already have enough self-esteem issues. You want to do that?
Self-esteem.
Guy has a big ass head. You know what I mean?
Short with a big head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jeez Louise. Hey, D, these metas are probably gonna be at 315 by then today, huh?
Is it still going up? I haven't even looked at it anymore.
Just going back to the 5-minute chart, it's been holding. It hasn't even closed under the 20 at all.
Mm. I wonder if Leo took his longs. Remember he was talking about over the weekend he wanted to go to long on Tesla?
I thought he was already in that, no? Or he wanted to go.
I don't know.
Tesla's still ripping.
It's at
still going?
It's at 214. Yeah, hell yeah.
Oh, damn.
So this thing confirmed those first hour highs at 210 and it's at 214. No, he did not. So Leo's fucking late to the party.
I saw he said he wanted to go in the money like at 185 or or if that's where he thinks it's gonna come down to.
See, I don't like that. Waiting on me for what? Use your eyes, bro. You fucking waiting on me for?
Leo just messaged.
I asked him if he was long, and he said no. Waiting on me. I don't know what the fuck am I gonna do about it. Analysis was good. I mean, just go run with it.
Trust it, man. Trust it.
Trust it. Trust yourself, man.
You just know where you're gonna get out.
Mm-hmm. I do like Tesla tomorrow though over today's highs. If we want to go like on a little day 2, day 3 run.
Told you, dude. Corny said the bottom was in D 351.30. Come on, man.
Yeah.
Hey, I want you to follow her on StockTwits, brother.
StockTwits. I haven't been on there in so long, man. Let's see.
Oh, I thought you were still putting like videos up there.
I stopped that, but
I like her, man. She's this little Asian girl from.
Said that the third time in a row, Biggs. Okay, Asian
like,
girl,
like DC. Yeah, Asian girl from DC.
Yeah,
she's
like
she's
DC.
into this.
Okay. What do you got? What's the name? What's the name?
Corny. KORNIE.
KORNIE.
Yeah.
Corny what? Corny blue fox? What is it? Just
corny? No, that's it. Just corny. Yeah, and like little Asian girl, like in the
again fourth time. I don't see her, Biggs. No, she's not popping up.
Come on, man. Yeah. All right, let me see.
It's not. It's
yeah.
KOR.
Oh, I'm sorry. KORNIE 7.
Okay.
Yeah, I forgot the 7.
No results found.
Really? KORNIE.
Oh, NIE.
Yeah.
Corny 7.
Biggs, what is she? Asian girl?
How do you know? How do you know that her picture's just an avatar, man?
Yeah, well, because she changed it. I've been friends with her for a while.
Biggs.
I can Biggs. Assuming shit again.
Yeah.
Nah, dude, she is. I know she is.
She was biting her nails 12 minutes ago on Riot, Biggs.
Yeah, she's
patient. She's
been talking about the where was it at?
She's talking about Riot, Bitcoin, coin. She's all on these crypto stocks, Biggs.
Well, right now she is, but not. That's just because of where they're at. But typically she isn't.
She's talking about Bitcoin a lot. Holy Jesus, Holy
Jesus,
Matic.
Your TLT.
She's a crypto girl, Biggs. Rivian.
Yeah, but not really though. Like right now,
I know my.
So right there, go to her post at 8:24 a.m.
today.
If you Yeah, today. This is the one I was talking about when she was talking about that 351. She had mentioned it last week.
Hit the hourly 50 to the dot. The great trade. Boy.
What did Meta?
D, make sure you give me credit for that one. Yeah.
I don't see her talking about any. Oh, Qs. Strongest bulls are cornered. I don't see nothing on the Qs that she said today.
Well, look on there. It says 8:24 a.m. and the post says once 10-2 spread back to positive region. That was that pullback, the first pullback to the 351 area. She was mentioning that area before it hit there, saying that was going to be her called bottom before the Qs performed a W pattern. And now this would have been the second touch of the W.
Mm.
That's all she was saying. So when it kind of hit that spot and took off, I was like, look at this chick.
Mm-hmm.
And then, saying it's going to run up close to all-time high and then the pullback. She just kind of giving her 2 cents,
Mm-hmm. Attaboy. Corny.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, she has been fucking talking about the cryptos a lot lately. But she's typically not. She's typically just like I don't know if she plays many options. I think she just goes heavy shares.
Mm.
And she'll like load up margin when she feels the market's healthy and shit like that.
Mm-hmm. I'll keep an eye on her. See what she's got going for us, Biggs.
Yeah, man. Not a bad. I mean, believe me, I know there's a lot of bullshit on there, man.
Yeah.
She's been one that I've kind of like filtered through the bullshit and kind of hung around.
There you go.
She's reliable, Biggs.
So far, she's been all right. Yeah. I mean, I don't necessarily buy what she buys, but I just like her analysis when she
tell her
talks
to keep
about
feeding
the
us the
market.
plays. Tell her to keep feeding us the plays.
Yeah, that's right. Mm-hmm.
Fucking Nvidia is all the way up at fucking hit 424 today, Biggs. Son of a bitch.
Well, I'm glad I got rid of those Nvidia short comments.
Mm-hmm.
That would have sucked.
Son of a bitch. Yeah. First hour highs got confirmed at 420. Went up $4. But the play before that, the 414, 415s was a good one, Biggs. Yeah, Andre lied to me. You never got out of the metas when I asked you.
That's an old picture, man. I mean, I just took the screenshot right now.
Yeah, right.
I wish I would have still held. I've been up 1,000 right now.
Yeah, right. You just got out of those.
Look at the damn thing, D. Look at it.
It says 809, man.
Yeah, that was just a screenshot I took right now. Everyone's posting their gains. That's why I felt a little left out.
I've seen that screenshot before.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. With this week's expiration. Come on, Biggs.
That's funny. No, dude, I'm just kidding, dude. I didn't even seen it.
Give it a little like.
You said that the other day.
Yeah.
Oh, that's an old screenshot. I was like, man.
Mm-hmm.
Biggs, give it that little fire emoji you always do. I like that one.
The fire emoji?
Yeah, I like that one.
All right. Next to it, I don't ever give you that one.
What is this?
Look at that one. Boom.
Who gave you that?
You
Look at that thing. Bubbles.
Bubbles.
He's got all these like special ones, man.
Because D upgraded his Discord.
Yeah. Little home run, Biggs.
There you go. I'll give you a little target.
A little target.
Hell yeah, Biggs. So I'm talking about. Oh damn, Anthem had a nice day. Whoa.
Yeah, he was in there quick.
Is he funded right now or no?
No, fuck no.
Fuck. That'd be nice.
Looks like he's halfway to yeah, but I need him to stay consistent, man. Because I mean, look at his balance. He's at 51.5, so he's halfway to getting funded, but on a $1,900 win. So that's telling me he was down 500. He was down 500
Yeah.
on the account. Like, he was down 5 on his eval. Now he's got to grind it. Like, you gotta grind it from there. Don't give that shit back. I mean, you got to think about it. Even if you just did that, like this, just one trade for him on a funded, that's it. Like for the month, just call it. Take a payout, at least. Because what good is it? What good is doing that, and then you never see it to pay out? Unless your account size is super big, what you should just be focusing on is just like a few good trades a month. Kind of just sitting back and then picking those spots. More patience, More patience and bigger trades. Biggs, you got that coffee going? I'm gonna need it.
You got it going. Got her going, man.
Hey, Biggs, man, I fell asleep last night, but I'm gonna have to restart it. Biggs, there's a movie on Netflix called Old Dads.
Oh yeah,
Just
is it any good?
Just dropped, dude, with that comedian Bill Burr. You know who Bill Burr is?
Oh yeah,
Dude.
yeah.
I got about an hour into that movie, maybe 45 minutes. Oh, you gotta watch that shit, Biggs. You're gonna relate a lot.
He's
to
funny.
It. Oh, dude, it's about these 3 dudes, man. They're all dads, and they're basically going through times as they are now, but like still with their old school mentality. You just gotta watch it, dude.
Yeah.
And Bill Burr, he plays a fucking great character in that thing. He's just a
The
fucking
dude that always takes his shirt off.
no, man. Bill Burr, that fucking bald headed ginger dude.
Oh, okay, never mind. I'm
Yeah.
thinking of Kreischer.
No,
Bert Kreischer.
oh yeah,
Is
the
what I'm
big
thinking.
fat guy. Thinking about that big
Yeah.
fat guy. Yeah.
Okay, all right. Yeah,
No,
gotcha.
you gotta watch that shit. You gotta watch that shit. That shit's fucking hilarious. You'll get a kick out of that, Biggs. That dude, Biggs. I posted him up in Off Topic. Comedian. I love that guy. That guy's a fucking hell of a fucking comedian.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Mhm.
I've seen him. All right, I'll check it out.
Yeah.
What's it called? Old Dads?
Old Dads, yeah. Just check that thing out. Tesla's still going 214.70s. Is anyone in long Tesla? Nobody is even trading on here. I don't know why some of these guys are just watching YouTube for it if they're not trading. Futures are fucking ripping like fucking no tomorrow, Biggs.
Fuck yeah, they are.
Andre, you should have held your longs. Boom. Look at that. 702 all the way up to 737. That's a 30-point fucking move over the linear regression. So again, where's the next play out on the NQ? You should have been in it already. That's where. Should have been in it already. Multiple times over, too.
Yo, D, can you hear me?
Yeah, what was wrong with you?
No, I couldn't figure. I think I had my
Yeah.
on my phone. That's why.
Apple had a nice first hour confirmation over 171.70s all the way into the 20 at 172.60. That was a dollar move on Apple.
Hey, Biggs ran into John Berthal on Saturday.
You know that guy, Biggs? Punisher?
What's his last name?
Burnt
Oh, okay.
the Punisher dude.
Berthal or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. He
We were
lives.
chopping up at the
cool.
steakhouse.
He lives over here.
Good dude.
Oh, cool dude, man.
Mm-hmm.
Just a regular dude. Small though,
Yeah.
big, short guy.
No,
Mhm.
this dude's tall. This dude's taller than you. What the fuck are you talking about?
Dude, small, bro. I was standing right next to him.
That dude's as big as
Tall
you,
guy,
bro.
man.
That dude's as big as you, bro.
Small body, but he has a big ass head, Biggs.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, you know what
Like
it
your
is.
dog.
It's the damn they're back off that writer's strike, man. So he's getting ready to go back to work. You can tell that dude's looking fresh right now. He's fucking cut to shit and his fucking face is mad Botox right now, Biggs. You know he's back in it.
Oh yeah.
'Cause I watch his podcast, man. He's got a podcast that he films out in this bar over here, like this little dive bar. And yeah, his podcast, he looks rough, dude. Like all bloated in the face, like he's been drinking for days. But that dude was looking like he fucking just walked out of a fucking dermatologist's office, dude, to be honest. Yeah, man, this guy's as tall as you, bro. It says he's fucking 5'11", dude.
6'1", D. Come on, bro.
I don't know about that, dude. Biggs?
What?
Andre's
You've never seen me in real life.
Yeah.
What's Biggs got confirmed for?
Yeah, I know, but I'm just saying, Andre's trying to give himself 2 inches. That'd be like Biggs saying, that'd be like Biggs walking around telling everyone he's 6'6", bro.
Mm.
Biggs is 6'6".
Yeah.
You are 6'6", huh, Biggs? 6'6", 245, fucking stacked
Shoot.
on that good shit, Biggs. Those are the fucking
man,
good old days.
Them actors, man, they usually get on that shit. Fucking get
Yeah.
in the movies.
You-
Like, what's
you-
his
you
name,
know-
man?
You know what
The
they're
box.
Yeah, you know what they're on, Biggs? They're on that TRT, man.
Yeah.
What,
Like Will Smith. Remember when he got jacked to do like the Ali movie?
dude? Well, they're all on this shit, dude. I was taking a look, man. I googled like who's on, what athletes and actors are on TRT, dude. All kinds of them, bro. Like, you know, Rogan is on it. Fucking who else is on it? Even Jeff Bezos. I mean, have you seen Jeff Bezos lately, dude? That dude was a geek. Now that dude's all fucking ripped up.
Elon Musk.
Fuck no, Elon Musk needs it, bro. That dude's body's like a fucking 50-year-old woman, dude. That dude's body's rough shaped. But yeah, man, Biggs, what do you know about that stuff, man? I'm thinking about telling the doctor I need some of that stuff. Get nice and
I don't know
juicy.
much about it other than people, you just go and get tested.
Yeah.
I said it's not hard to get if you.
No, it's basically like getting your medical marijuana fucking license. You know, tell them you got some headaches, can't sleep type of bullshit.
Mm-hmm.
You just got to basically tell them, you know, some symptoms. But I mean, that stuff's the real deal. So it's not like giving you, it's not like, you know, like the real shit where, you know, you're adding onto it. You know, it's not like they're just giving it just helps your body create more natural testosterone. But I mean, anti-aging effects on this shit, Biggs. I mean, you get fucking juiced. Like you want to know who's on it, Andre? Fucking, I'll tell you from a mile away. Old Andy Elliott's on it for sure, bro. For sure.
Just watching like his older videos, like not even that older, maybe like a year ago.
Yeah, if you
Just
go
seeing what
exactly,
just see what he looks like now.
exactly.
Yeah.
If you go from last year, I mean, it fit in shape guy, but like you go to now, it's not like they're like, because you know, like when dudes do steroids, they get fucking juiced, man. They get like fucking huge. Like it still almost looks, it's natural, you know, it's a natural because it's just pretty much maximizing your own testosterone that body can produce, you know. So, but it's taking it up, you know. Some dudes have different testosterone levels or what, but yeah, that stuff's not bad. I mean, I was thinking about telling the doc I need it. Might as well. I mean, you know, fucking.
Come on, Doc.
Yeah, I mean. Yeah.
I want to go to one. I still want to go to one of his seminars.
We missed that good one, man. That one that was in Utah was the one to go to, man. They had all the dogs out there for that one.
Biggs, you follow that guy or not really?
Who's that?
No, he doesn't.
Andy
follow.
Elliott.
You give that guy.
No.
You need to give that guy a listen, Biggs. Guy will have you run through a wall real quick. So
let's see what we got after the close, Biggs. Nobody really for earnings today.
So
I hadn't looked.
Keep an eye on Meta. I'm going to set an alert on Meta for this week. I'm going to keep an eye on this thing over 315.35 this week. That has room to 319. That would gain my interest this week. We're going to keep an eye on that. So I'm going to go through and set some list here. Hey, so Marv's in the room. Marv, you're on TRT. He says he's just getting fatter though. What are you talking about, Marv? Everybody that I know that's on this thing's fucking getting amped up out of their minds, man.
He's asking if he's working out. You still got to work out.
Yeah, Marv, you got to work out a little bit though, bud. Marv, you can't just sit on the stump. You got to work out a little bit. But hey, Marv, how hard is that to get? Just basically go in there, get real quick. He works out religiously, this guy says. Fuck, Marv. And Marv, how old are you, buddy? Makes you hungry, huh? You gotta get those calories in.
Yeah, NVIDIA has room up until 440s, no, D? On the daily, at least?
Yeah, Tesla over today's highs, guys. I mean, I think this thing's gonna still push up. It's only up $2. But over today's highs, 215.28. Again, it's going to push up higher, but let's just keep Tesla on watch this week over today's highs. That's going to have room to 225. So that's definitely something to watch. I'll have to circle back to that later in the day. 36 got tested 3 years ago. Blah, blah, blah. Tesla's low as hell. Okay, cool. Okay, yeah. So there you go. See, that's another thing too. Andre, have you ever been in to go test your testosterone levels?
I don't know what they tested, but I think like 2 or 3 years ago when my dad signed me up for that life insurance, I did have to get blood work done, but nothing popped. Like
no,
everything was on pace or normal.
Yeah, I don't know if they're not testing your test levels in that. What about Biggs? What about you? You test your test levels?
No, not recently.
Your fucking test is probably high, dude. Fucking shooting all them kids still to your fucking age.
Fucking rock solid, no Biggs.
Mm-hmm. You know it.
Ain't got nothing to worry about.
Yeah, gotcha, Marv. Gotcha. Yeah, I'd be real curious to test my testosterone levels too. It has a lot to do with a lot of things. You know, you got low tests. It could affect a lot of things. But that's pretty good though, man. 800 to 900. That's fucking high, bro. Marv, you should be able to pack. You should be able to pack on the fucking muscle like crazy right now, brother.
I'm doing calisthenics.
Well, that or the calories that you're eating is not good.
Or 27.
Yeah, makes sense, Marv. Makes sense. Marv, pretty easy process to get the TRT. That's the only shit that I would ever go on.
Do you ask him how much is it? Don't mind me asking.
Okay,
I don't know if insurance covers it.
Okay, gotcha. So Marv's telling me diet's a mess. So we clean up the diet, Marv. We clean up the diet a little bit. Get the cleaner proteins in there and less carbs probably. Okay. Yeah. But yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, so if it's going to increase your appetite, yeah, and you're still eating the wrong calories and not enough protein, then yeah, that's going to do it. But I mean, if you clean it up a little bit, I'm sure you're going to look fucking nice, brother. Marv, what they don't cover that on insurance, so do they? They cover that on insurance, or you pay that out of pocket through the doc? How does that work? Shit, I'm sure you could probably do a fucking WebMD for that shit now. No, Biggs?
Probably.
Virtual fucking appointment.
Biggs, you ever
I know one of my neighbors.
You ever do one of those things? Get on there and talk to a doc over the phone, like on a little webcam? Dude, I had like a strep throat 2 years ago. Just fucking jumped on there. I'm like, yeah, my throat's killing me. Just issued a prescription right then and there, Biggs. Don't even gotta go to the doctor's office, bro. That's what I'm talking about. I'm not trying to fucking wait over there, farting around in the doctor's office, everyone else with their fucking germs and shit. I got time for that shit. I got time to be sick right now, Biggs.
You're this guy, Biggs?
I hear him, man.
What are you doing? Just shaking your head?
Startup is
Just listening.
Startup cost console about 200. Then the blood test is about 350. Then the meds is about 100 a month. That's not bad. That's not bad. Huh?
One thing is, it's shots, so you have to. Don't like that.
Marv, it's shots. So Marv might go the underground way because underground test is maybe 100 a year. There we go. We can talk to Biggs about that.
You have to give yourself a shot each morning.
Marv, is it
where's the shot at?
every morning? Marv, you got to give yourself a shot every morning?
Probably in the hip.
It can't be every morning, dude. That seems like a lot. No way, dude.
Well, that's how whatchamacallit was.
Every morning?
Biggs knows.
Growth hormone.
Every morning, Biggs?
Every day, man.
Oh my god, I didn't know it was every day, dude.
Right in your.
That's why when they say you're off the cycle, that's why you miss a couple days, you're already gone. You're done.
Well, with a cycle though, like if I was taking a steroid, it'd be like once a week, maybe twice a week, depending on what you're taking. But like with growth hormone, it was every morning.
Yeah, no. Marv says that the TRT is 3 times a week. Most are 2 times.
Yeah,
but they're injectable, so
it is. But yeah, so it is injectable.
And you're like what do they call that? Like you gotta get into the muscle, or do you get into like
Marv? Where are we sticking at? In the muscle, in the butt? What are we doing here?
Or is it like a HGH shot where you go like just underneath your like fatty? You know what I mean? Like to kind of pinch your stomach.
Yeah,
they can almost pinch your stomach and go into the.
Let me see if Marv can give us that info here. Marv, where do Marv injects? Marv's also talking about there's a cream. Cream's not as effective though. I can't imagine that the cream would be. That's not gonna soak in. That's not gonna soak in at all.
I need that shit in my bloodstream.
Yeah,
running through me.
So yeah, I'd be curious to see like where's the injection? Like,
yeah, Marv, where's the
ass cheek?
Yeah, Marv, where's the injection at?
And also, like, is it regular fucking needles or are you using an insulin?
He was doing delts for 3 years. Now doing the glute.
Yeah, the glute.
So it's in his ass. Yeah, so it's a regular steroid shot.
Yeah.
Biggs, you're not opposed to shot.
So you're getting a good 1.5.
Yeah, gotcha, Marv. Yeah, so
needle.
Biggs. That's probably why you're not shooting no boys, dude. Go down to the doctor and get on this TRT, man.
Man, I ain't having no more kids.
You're gonna
have no more kids.
Wife wants one more. You said. She's not opposed.
That ain't happening. Bro.
She's not opposed.
That ain't happening.
She's not opposed.
Oh yeah. Wait till you're at the costume party.
No, she's definitely not opposed.
Marv's on 200. Marv's on 200 milligrams a week. Marv, I don't know anything. He's using insulin needles. Okay, so insulin needles and 200 milligrams a week. But Marv, is that a lot? Like, it's too. Like, I don't know the scale here. 200 mils is that a lot or is that a little? I mean, I don't really know how the dosage works on that. Like, would that be considered a lot? Yeah, dude. I mean, I've just seen some of the results on some of these dudes. I mean, some of these dudes turn the clock back on their age like fucking 10 years, dude. I mean, it just this stuff's really good. I've been doing a lot of research on it, to be honest.
TRT.
Yeah. Look it up, Biggs.
Biggs, we got one more playlist, or we wrapping it up?
I'm gonna wrap it up here soon, man.
Yeah, what you think?
I gotta go hit a couple lawns.
Yeah, to be honest, I'm good on my trading for today. And besides, I mean, everything's kind of running. The last thing I want to do is keep chasing this run up, and then I'm on that wrong side where the market pulls back or goes sideways for an hour. I don't really feel like doing that. But again, like where we're at in the charts today, we've come all the way down. What did we talk about this morning, Biggs? Is it August lows?
Mm-hmm.
So we've come down all the way to August lows. So August, September, October, basically we're riding into November. So the last 3 months lows, we came down and tested that. Now that line in the sand, huge short opportunity, right? So everything, it doesn't matter what you're looking at. More than likely 90% of names through Friday's lows is an easy short position. So when you guys are doing homework, you guys are doing, your charting and all this other stuff, mark out Friday's lows, right? Look at the charts. How much room is down on a weekly time frame to that next area of demand? That's going to be your short position. So when you're waiting for that next big play where you can go a little bit heavier size and you're looking for that big move, maybe you don't want to day trade or scalp, 10 times a day to try to make money. Sit on those lows when and if that happens. Now, if we continue to bounce this week and we have a little bit of a rally off these floors from 3 months ago, then we're going to look at some things over today's highs. Not everything, but what has room over today's highs, right? So like I'm looking at Tesla trying to reconfirm its daily 200-day moving average. That's got room. That's definitely interesting to me. I'll be watching that. If we look at something like NVIDIA, it's up $11 on a day, came down to its Bollinger Band here. NVIDIA over today's highs is confirming the 5-day moving average. That's got room into the high 430s. I think the Meta still has more room in it as well. Not really. Meta has room to 319. Yeah, so even Meta's got like a 3 to 4 points in that. If you look at Apple over today's highs, Apple's got some room too, over 173 into 174.50. So that's how I would do my homework for tonight. That's how I'm going to create my watch list. What's got the most amount of space? Like for example, I'm looking at AMD. Even if AMD confirms today, it only has about 60 cents. Not enough room for me. I'm not going to really waste my time on something like that. Microsoft has earnings this week. If we look at Microsoft, it's held up pretty well on this downturn. Maybe if Microsoft can get over like 332, that's going to have room. So like that's how I'm going to kind of do my watch list. Again, if you just want to trade the indexes and you look at the Qs, Qs over today's highs got room into 359, 360. If you look at something like SPY's got a lot of room over today's highs, to be honest, 422.80s all the way into 426s. So definitely tomorrow we have clear levels, because if this is just the dead cat bounce, anything, and I mean anything, through either Friday's or today's lows, doesn't matter, whichever one's lower is going to have room. That's your short. Your longs for a continued little dead cat bounce is over today's highs, but make sure it has enough space. That's probably it for me, dude. I'm done today. I'm not going to chase anything.
Yeah, it's kind of slow and
and you're going to come into this New York lunch hour again. If you look at the Nasdaq, right? So for all you guys who are trading futures, who's this snake trader? Just signed in, busy day at work, watching, listening with one eye. Any trades today? Yeah. So. Trader, there was a lot of plays. I think you trade futures. There was a lot of plays on the futures. So I'm in California, Pacific Standard Time. We had a setup at 6:45 a.m. that confirmed at around 6:08. That's pretty much just been an active trade all day. It's up 140 points from there. The next entry on that was a close over the 5-minute 200 SMA, looking at around 660. I think me and Andre took a little bit of a scalp on that 660. Again, snagged a few points on it, not much, but that's also been an active trade, up about 80 points since there. And then your last trade was literally the close at 7:55 my time over a linear regression. That price was 701. I think Andre took that scalp as well as 700 one. That scalp over 700 is also active for 50 points. So do I want to continue to sit here and scalp a new high of day, new high of day, new high of day? No, because if the pullback comes, we're pulling back 20, 30 points. I'm not trying to get caught in that. We do have room though to push into 14,800. So 14,800 on the Qs on the Nasdaq, that would be the next stop. But again, we've been in active longs since literally 15 minutes off the bell. So 2 hours later, we're still trending higher. Do you want to be jumping out of the 10th floor, or would you have rather jumped out of the first, second, or third, right? At least we're going to sprain our ankle, break our leg versus breaking our fucking neck. So again, it has room to go higher. But again, you're chasing at this point. The futures were down 150 to start the fucking day, and now they're positive and up 90. So again, think about where you're at in the cycle. If you have a strategy, an edge, it should have provided, right? Because every strategy provides long opportunities and it provides short opportunities. So if you have a strategy, right? Because over here on our side of things, I know you guys are just on YouTube, but on our side of things, we've had 3 opportunities to go long in the market today on the futures. So if you did not take any one of those 3 opportunities, what the fuck are you doing, right? Now, again, I'm not talking to you directly because you've been at work. You're just asking if there's been any plays. I'm just talking to everyone as a whole. If you haven't found that entry to go long and you're kind of looking, you know, it's like you missed it, right? Which is fine. The market moves every day. So that's why I was just saying what we're looking for here is, for me, anything that confirms this week below today's lows or Friday's lows. Meta hit its mark over 315.37. I had another alert there, just hit that alert. Meta, anything under today's lows or Friday's lows, whichever one's lower, that's going to be your macro short. And then for tomorrow, on a continuation of a dead cat bounce, I would look for things over today's highs that do have room. So if we trade futures, right? If we trading futures, we're coming into a big area of supply here on the 1 hour time frame. So again, this is why I'm saying over the first hour highs had a great opportunity at that 642 and literally we're up 100 points since then. That was the big play, should have already been in it. And if you can see here on my charts, we're running right into this supply. Can it push higher? Sure, maybe, but we need to wait for another day. But look at the daily chart here. We do have room still to 866. So that's around 100 points, and then 912. That's about 120, 130 points. So we still do have room for a dead cat bounce. But if we notice, right, if I just actually take all this crap off my charts and we just really look at candlesticks on the daily chart, right? Take a look at this bullshit before I log off. If we look at this, right, let's look at this wave that we've been in. If I go on the daily chart and I go all the way back down to August the 18th, we put in a low, we bounced, we came back, put in a high, consolidated, put in a low again at 9/27, right? September 27th, trickled around this area for almost 2 weeks, touched this area multiple times, bounced. In this last pullback we had, look at exactly where we came down to. This same spot again, and actually put in a new low today at around 14,514. Okay, so what are we thinking if this ever gets confirmed, if it gets, whether it's this week, whether it's tomorrow, whether it's next week, if 14,514 gets confirmed, we have broken down a whole 3-month holding pattern, and our area that we would be trying to target is 13,979. It's going to be a hell of a short position. That's going to be a multiple day mover. Again, if you trade options, as soon as this happens on the NASDAQ, that's when you're looking for your short positions to start confirming on those lows that we have right now. Now, if we get a dead cat bounce, because again, respect the pattern, every time we're in this zone, we wick down, we go on a multiple day dead cat bounce. The last time we were in this zone, the first time in August, we went on a 1, 2, 3, 4 day dead cat bounce, pulled all the way back, and then went on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 day dead cat bounce. The next time we were on that, we went on a 4-day dead cat bounce. The next time we were in this zone, we went on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 day dead cat bounce. So if this is going to be a dead cat bounce, maybe we just keep on looking for continuations over today's highs off of this support system, and maybe we get a 2, 3, 4 day back test, right? However, if we lose this area, it's a fucking full-on short position. It's a full-on short position. So yeah, so that's how I'm going to play it. I'm not going to look to take 20 scalps each and every single day. I understand where we're at. I'm mainly looking for that one trade right now. Like futures, I didn't trade much of shit. I made about $150 on the futures, but I did pretty well on the dead cat bounce on my Nvidia play today. And then we also had Meta as well. And then so there was plays out there. There's plays every day. It's just understanding where you're at. But I'll definitely not chasing anything today. You know, I'd rather see where we close today and then have some really good levels to trade tomorrow and then kind of hit it again. So if you haven't really made any money today, you know, I would wait for some type of pullback and bounce on the NASDAQ. I would wait for some type of pullback into maybe 700 again. or you know, if this thing gets all the way back down to 650s, I mean, those would be good areas to try to see if we pull back and bounce. If we're going to get that 3, 4, 5 day continuation dead cat bounce, that's what you want to really look for. And then obviously the short positions. So again, you know, for those of you, because I see there's a couple people that just keep jumping in this YouTube stream. For those of you guys who are trading futures and you guys are, well, we're green on the day, what's the next play? You guys have missed it, right? You have missed the play. So if you are throwing on trades to the long side at this hour, you guys are forcing a trade, right? You are forcing a trade, because on a 1 hour time frame, you know, you guys are already pushing up into this area, this previous area of rejection here. You got maybe 20 points worth of wiggle room up here. But again, it's going to be very, very tough. I would rather wait for that continuation on the long side tomorrow if you missed any of the longs. But other than that, that is what it is. Unless you're going to really like hyper scalp and use this 2-minute chart. But if you use like a 2-minute chart, look at the last setup at 7:36 Pacific Standard Time. That thing confirmed at, again, 660, which was a level we had from the 5, as well as a 1 hour chart. We already had that trade. But this trade confirmed at 660. And it's up 90 points, right? And it's an active long. So there's nothing else going on here. It's just an active long. The trade before that was over the 605, and that ran all the way to 686. 2 fantastic plays today to the long side. If you missed them, that's just the game. You're just either don't know what you're looking at or you were busy today. It is what it is. But I'm going to end this stream here. I'm going to go back on over to our Evolution Traders Discord. I'll be there for the remainder of the day. For those of you guys on YouTube, thanks for fucking listening to us talk about bullshit. And, you know,
Later, YouTubers.
yeah. And listening to us talk about testosterone and Biggs having, you know, 3 more kids. But, you know, it is what it is. I'll see all of you guys. If you guys do want to come over, again, links down in the description box below. And then for Biggs, Andre, and everyone else, I'll be, shifting gears, just watching the truck today. All right, yeah, shifting gears. We're waiting for you,
all right,
brother.
fellas.
We're waiting for you. All right, guys, I'll see you guys back in the Discord.
Yeah, man.
Later.
Later.